How did Matthew Beem gain over 135 million views on one video? To give you some context, Matthew Beem has more views than Ryan Trahan or Airrack on a single video, which is crazy. So how did he do it, and why did this exact video go this viral? Well, it's because of three important things which, if done right, makes any video blow up. So the first thing Matthew Beem did to blow up this video is come up with the killer video idea. His video idea is so crazy and sounds too good to be true, because most people have only been wondering what would happen if they filled their house with water, but Matthew turned that thought into reality, and no one else had ever done it on YouTube. But without this second most important thing, Matthew wouldn't have gotten anywhere near 100 million views, and that is the packaging. The video title and thumbnail on YouTube is very important because it's the first thing people see before they even decide to watch your video. So you need to make sure that your title and thumbnail is on point. Like for Matthew, it clearly shows that his house is filled with water. You can also see his couch floating, and he slightly increased the vibrance or saturation of the thumbnail so it can pop more and stand out. And if you look at the water, you can also see his reflections in the water, which makes you believe that this is real. Then he hit the final nail to the coffin with the title. It is a crazy bold statement. It supports and validates what you are seeing on the thumbnail, and it is also short and straight to the point. But even with such a killer idea and packaging, if Matthew didn't do this third most important part of the video, his video would have bombed and wouldn't have seen the light of day. The video intro, or the first 30 seconds of a video, is the most important part when people click on your video. So if you want people who clicked your video to watch your whole entire video, you need to hook them in the first 30 seconds of your video, and Matthew did this perfectly in this intro. I want you to notice 5 things he did in just 30 seconds to hook viewers.
Today I'm transferring my house into a fish tank.
So the first thing he did in just 2 seconds, he confirmed that the title we clicked on and the thumbnail is not clickbait.
That's right, I'll be filling my entire house with thousands of gallons of water in some of the most insane ways possible. Starting with the sink. We're just gonna leave that running, let's go.
Second, he go right into the action, which makes the video feel like it doesn't have an intro. Then third, he teased what is coming later in the video and showed clips which proves that he actually filled his house with water.
Now we also have all these other rooms, and we're gonna fill each and every one of them with water and fish, starting in the basement. I guess I'm just gonna start turning on all the water in the house. Let's fill the shower. I'm putting it all the way on warm water so we're not cold. This is the weirdest thing I've ever done.
Mind you, we are less than 10 seconds into the video, but he has already validated all his claims. Fourth, then the video starts on the 10 seconds mark, which is perfect for viewers because he didn't waste their time by over explaining things. He got right into the video with no fluff.
To start turning my house into a fish tank, we have this sink going, the shower's on, but it's still not filling that fast, so I think we should go to the store and get everything we need. It's so cold. The pictures are starting to fall off the wall.
And finally, fifth, while doing some action, he went on to explain how he's going to fill the house with water, which raised some questions in viewers' minds and the stakes involved, like how is he going to fill up the house? Isn't the water going to be coming out of the door and window openings? And isn't he going to get electrocuted since the lights are on, etc. So it's all these things combined that made people not only click and stick around, but also watch the whole video to find out how he's going to tackle all these challenges. And so if you can use these tactics into your videos, I can guarantee that in just a matter of time you'll blow up as well. But if you're a beginner or small creator and you want me to personally help you grow and get your channel monetized in just 7 to 30 days like I do for many channels, then watch this video.